So first of all, thank you so much for talking to NDTV. With the new facelifted Vento, what are the kind of expectations you have? You expect it to outdo the other outgoing model as well?
Of course we do, and I think with the new exterior of the car, the increased aerodynamics, the better fuel mileage, I think we'll see substantially customer interest raising. And we've also added features to the car like cruise control, which together with coupled with an automatic gearbox gives a great driving pleasure, and some small things like cooled glove boxes that make it just like a little special to have a Volkswagen. So we're very confident.
Sure. Also, you're surprised with the kind of response that you've seen for the DSG gearbox. You earlier indicated 40% of customers for the previous Vento was for DSG. Are you surprised positively?
Yes and no. First of all, yes, because it's a tremendous success, and no, because I think it's an underlying condition in the Indian market that people with increasing purchase power will go for automatic cars because they just offer much more driving pleasure. It's much more easy to drive them, and given the situation you drive in Indian metros, you will see no reason why not to have an automatic gearbox.
And are you happy with that ratio? You want the DSG to sell more? Do you expect that to sell more going forward from 40%, or do you expect that level kind of?
I think it's outstanding to have 40% of your cars in these segments sold with DSG gearbox. We will build on the success of the DSG to broaden its availability, but I wouldn't expect it to go over 40–50% because simply there's also a buyer group that does not yet have the means to get there. But I think it's the future of the Indian car market, automated, automatic gearboxes.
Sure. Overall for the industry as well, your company is growing, you said about 17% compared to the much faster than what the industry is growing. Do you expect that to sustain? Is a very low base, but given that you have 5 models lined up going forward, is that you're hoping to sustain the kind of growth rate?
The growth that we've seen is a trust into the brand, and the Volkswagen brand is back in the buyer's evoked set, and it's a trust in our dealer network. So I can't see any reason why we would not continue in that direction. Of course, there will be, depending on how the market runs, and of course within the next 24 months we will be adding some more models, and that will give us more opportunities. So for the next 24 months I'm very confident that we can grow.
Sure. Thank you so much for talking to us, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.